Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create creative patterns in Adobe Illustrator with just a few clicks. First, create a square in any size you want. Make sure it's aligned to the artboard. Then go to Object Path, Split into Grid. When the dialog box appears, I'll go with 10 by 10. Next, hold Alt and duplicate. Now, let's pick a color. You can use the eyedropper tool to sample any color you like. Go to the toolbar and choose the Direct Selection tool, and feel free to reshape the elements however you want. When you're done, select everything, group, and arrange. Bring it to front. After that, select all and duplicate it. We'll use this copy later. Now go to File Scripts. I've put the script download link in the video description below. In the dialog box, check the same options I'm selecting here. And just look at the result. It looks amazing. Now, take the duplicated version we saved earlier, apply the script again, but choose a different option this time, and compare the results. You can keep experimenting, just toggle different options to get completely new patterns. Be creative and have fun with it. Don't forget to like and follow if you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.